All right, everyone. Today I will be sharing with you a TOYEAR under sink organizer. This is an Amazon seller, and they have a storefront on Amazon. And they asked me to share with you all their organizer. So I am going to do just that. It comes with the manual, and it seems like it's very self-explanatory. It has all the components as well as step 1, step 2, and step 3 and 4. So let's get into building our under sink organizer. All right, everyone, while I'm unboxing this under sink organizer, I just want to share with you all some of the features. You have a upper base and a bottom base plate. Your bottom plate is approximately 10.6 inches in width, and your top plate is 5.9 inches in width. This is very easy and simple to assemble. You are connecting your shelving by these two metal rods, and they have the push pins on each side, so therefore you can insert into the bottom shelf to connect the top shelf. And one thing that I love about this shelving is that it's adjustable. You can go from 15.2 inches tall to 12.6 inches tall, depending on what you're storing or how much room you have underneath your sink. Also, this is not just for your under sink organization. You can use this on top of your countertops for your coffee station, your beverage station. This can be utilized in your pantry as well as in your closet for your perfume or whatever. And one thing I also like that the push pins prevent overslide for your drawers. This is how it looks before, and let's check out now. Just like that, I have freed up so much space under my sink. It also comes with these adhesive discs to put under the feet of each of your organizer, but I will not need that, as well as extra pins to prevent your from overslide. This is an awesome organizer. I was able to put so much on it and free up so much space under my sink. Thank you, TOYEAR, for this awesome gift. And thank you all for watching. Please be blessed and be a blessing to someone else. Later.